Once again, very good evening to all of you. Sorry for the small delay of about 5 minutes
Sir, there is echo, I think.
from all of us here and the organizing committee of the Hamfest India 2021. Delighted to have you all across the country. I see almost about 80 participants from Tamil Nadu, about equal number from Karnataka, Maharashtra, Delhi, Tripura, West Bengal. Delighted to welcome a guest from Bangladesh also joining in. So, as always, the tradition, let us start with a small invocation. And the genesis of this invocation, I'll certainly tell you slightly later on this.
आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत
आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत
आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत त्यजत परेष्वक्रममाक्रमण त्यजत परेष्वक्रममाक्रमण मैत्रीं भजत अखिल हृजेत्रे
मैत्रीं भजत अखिल हृजेत्रे
जनको देवः सकल दयालु
जनको देवः सकल दयालु
जनको देवः सकल दयालु
जनको देवः सकल दयालु
दाम्यदत्त दयध्वं जनता काम्यदत्त दयध्वं जनता
दयध्वं जनता
श्रेयो भूयात् सकल जना श्रेयो भूयात् सकल जना श्रेयो भूयात् सकल जना
श्रेयो भूयात् सकल श्रेयो भूयात् सकल
श्रेयो भूयात्
it is once again welcoming all of you with that invocation. Let there be no war, and let us share with everyone in this world. So with that great renderation by Bombay Jayashree and Sudha Raghunathan and the whole group there, actually returned by the Kanchi Swami for the United Nations. If you, when Indira Gandhi requested him for an invocation at United Nations, the Swamiji wrote this, quite relevant even to this day. So once again, delighted to welcome you all. I'm your host, Shankar Prasad, Victor United to Sierra Papa Kilo. My QTH is Mysore, and delighted to have my other committee members here, which I will be, during the course of this program, I would be introducing each one of them. And here in Mysore, very sultry. It's been raining all through the yesterday. Temperature is just about 24 degrees Charlie here in the shack here. So with that, I request my other colleague of the organizing committee, Madhu, Victor United to Mike Uniform Delta, to propose a welcome to our chief guest and all of you hams all across this country. Over to you, Madhu.
Thank you, Shankar. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to this online session. This is organized as part of the Hamfest India 2021 scheduled for Mysore. This particular event is to commemorate the completion of 100 years of amateur radio in India. So as for our information, the first license was issued during 1921 to Sri Amarendra Chandra Guptu with the call sign, just the number 2 Juliet Kilo. Call sign was 2 Juliet Kilo. This 2-day session that we are conducting is part of the celebration of that event. On behalf of the organizing committee, I welcome Sri Omkarnath Yadav, Assistant Wireless Advisor, whose name I think is very popular in the last few years among the amateur radio fraternity. We have seen drastic changes in the process flow of with respect to communication and interaction related to licenses, renewals, and the issue of special event call signs. He has also come up on a few online sessions during the last year, and I think he also has a YouTube channel where he's trying to give us guidance on the process of going through the amateur radio license itself. He's also explained the requirements of the WPC documentation to ease the flow and make our work, our licenses and other documentation that we have been asking for with the minimum delay. This has been very well received by the ham fraternity, sir. We are very thankful to you for all your support. On behalf of the organizing committee, we welcome you, sir. It also gives me pleasure to invite, to welcome Sri Old Man Ganesh, going to Tango Sierra, who is one of the license holders who has been active since the 60s, if I'm not mistaken, if I remember right, or probably the late 50s. I'm sure he'll confirm on that. And he has been active right since then. That makes it almost been active for the last 60 years. So welcome, Ganesh. It is a great pleasure to have you all during this inaugural session. It also gives us great pleasure to welcome Old Man Gopal Madhavan, Gopal as we fondly call him, going to Golf Mike November, who is another veteran ham. Although he got his license in the 80s, he has been exposed to amateur radio from his childhood. So it gives us great pleasure to welcome both of you to the panel. It is also a great pleasure to welcome all the delegates who are who registered on the platform officially through our Google form. I think we had close to around 400 registrations, and we also have a big community waiting, listening into this channel on YouTube also. So thank you very much once again for all of you joining us. We hope we have a good event for 2 days, and commemorating the hobby that we all love, where we have been active, most of us from the 60s and 70s, 80s. I think we have a group who have been active for the last half a decade, half a century actually. So welcome you all to this session. We hope you enjoy this session. We find it informative, and any questions that you have, you need to put it up on the chat room if you are on Zoom, and if you are on YouTube, you can post your questions and queries there. It will be relayed here also. And I've just received a note from Srimati Revati, the Senior Deputy Wireless Advisor, with a request for all of us, all those who have not yet registered on Saral Sanchar, to please register yourself there, because WPC is in the process of updating their records also with the latest current information. So this is a personal request that Srimati Revati, Senior Deputy Wireless Advisor, has made to all the amateur radio fraternity. So back to you, Shankar. Thank you. Welcome you all to this event.
Okay, I also welcome the President of the Amateur Radio Society of India, Ramesh. He's been here. Thanks, Ramesh. As you all know, ARSI has been spearheading the entire process, been representing us at IARU, and nothing more on it later. So on behalf of all of you, thanks Madhu for welcoming and giving the short welcome. I now request Shri Omkar Nath ji to give his thoughts on the 100 years of amateur radio, how WPC has come up and what's in store for us as we move forward. Over to you, sir, Shri Omkar Nath ji.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Respected senior hams, distinguished guests, radio amateurs, organizer members, good evening. On the behalf of Wireless Planning and Coordination Wing, I welcome to all the radio amateurs, and I am very happy to be here on this occasion of inaugural function of the HamFest 2021. Thank you for inviting and giving such opportunity. As we all know that ham radio began in India as early as in 1921. The first Indian ham was late Sri Amren Chand Gupta. He started his transmission in year 1921 with a call sign to Juliet Kilo. He was the only ham at that time, and so his radio transmission was a one-way traffic. As to have two-way contacts through radio, at least 2 ham operators are required. But those who were having the receiver equipment at that time, they could listen his broadcast. 2JK was followed by 2HK, Hotel Cubic, that was assigned to Mukul Bose in 1922, which was later changed to VU2 Hotel Papa. VU2 AG was assigned to late Sri Loken Bose in, I think, 1924. So two-way ham radio contacts among India started from 1922 onwards. Indian ham has served our country since freedom movements till today. So I would like to convey congratulations to all my hams for their efforts and hard work to make this hobby popular in India. Most of the Indian hams also got recognition at national and international level. Wireless planning and coordination wing has already introduced online system, that is Saral Sanchar, for application of examination as well as for grant of license. Still many more significant process of simplification is going on. I think that is integration with the Bharat Course, auto renewal certificate generation. We are working on it. And WPC is also exploring the feasibility of online examinations. I think in near future, all these features will be available in the Saral Sanchar portal. So with these words, I would like to convey my sincere thanks on the behalf of WPC wing and on the behalf of Madam Revati to all the participants and organizer teams and senior hams. All the best for this program. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for those kind words there, and quite delighted, I'm sure. As VU2 Mike Uniform Delta said it, we are having an amazing time with WPC. You have been doing a great work, and you have been helping us quite a bit. On behalf of the organizing committee, I thank you, sir, for your kind words, and I'm sure we can look forward to many more interactions as we move forward with you. So thanks very much, sir. Madhu, a word of thanks to him from your end.
Thank you, Mr. Omkar Nath ji. In fact, I have communicated with him also a couple of times regarding some other matters, and we have the pleasure of being very cooperative. He is also very open to suggestions. He invites suggestions and see how best he can fulfill them within the guidelines of the ministry there. Thank you, Mr. Omkar Nath ji. Thanks very much for coming up in spite of your busy schedules.
And thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Okay, sir. Jai Hind.
Okay. So let's